In a bustling city, a homeless child named Tay wandered alone, clutching a small, worn blanket. His days were spent watching people pass by, hoping for a warm smile or a spare coin. At night, he found shelter beneath a bridge, where he gazed at the stars, imagining a better life. One chilly evening, a kind stranger offered him a sandwich and an old storybook. Tai clung to the book, finding warmth and hope within its pages. Each story transported him to new worlds, and as he read by moonlight, he dreamed of a brighter future, one day at a time.
The Faceless Kids educational videos are doing very fine. As you can see, there's none of them that the views are not high. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you will be able to replicate all these videos. If this is what you want to know, please stay tuned and subscribe, share, and like this video for more updates. Let's dive in. First, I'm going to go to my Google, open new tab here, go to my Google and type chat.openai, and it has opened. Then what I did here, I now tell it to generate a story of a homeless child. Then I am specific, telling it to generate it in 100 words. So here, this is all it came out with. In a bustling city, a homeless child named Tayo wanders alone. Each story transported him to new world, and he has road as he read by moonlight, he dreamed a brighter future, one day at a time. So after it has finished generating, I now go back to I come back to my new tab and also type resemble.ai. Which is this, and it has opened. So the next thing is, if you are not signing, you get to sign in. Then the next thing is for me to go to legacy edit. This is where I click here, go to legacy edit, and let's wait for it to open. So it has opened. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go back to my ChatGPT and copy the text, come to my resemble.ai. Here, this is where I want to paste it. Then which type of voice do I want? I have to choose a voice that I want, and I'm checking. Please do well to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, so that when I post a video, you will be updated. Like this video, please like this video. Anyway, let me just choose anyone. So the next thing I'm going to do is to come here, see if it have, if the voice is there, then come here and say generate all.
In a bustling city, a homeless child named...
So it has finished generating, and I'm going to download it here. And I click on download, and it's here. So I'm going to go back to my Adobe Express. If you go to your browser, you type Adobe Express, open here, type Adobe Express, that is it, click on it. So it has opened, and I choose any of these. I can choose any of these, but in the course of this video, I can as well choose this. So the next thing I'm going to do, Then change this background, come up, or you can choose any of these cartoons here, but let's make do with that. So I come to background. I'm going to choose something beautiful. Okay. Okay, it has finished downloading. Let me play it first and
In a
see.
bustling city, a homeless child named Tay wandered alone, clutching a small, worn blanket. His days were spent watching people pass by, hoping for a warm smile or a spare coin. At
So I can
night,
download it here. You say your download is complete. So if you are coming here for the first time, it will not give you that access to download easily. It's going to tell you to go to Adobe Express. I go there and I've already signed up with Adobe Express. That is why I was able to, download it easily. So I close this. Okay. So it has finished downloading. I can
he
as well.
found shelter beneath a bridge, where he gazed at the stars, imagining a better life. One
So I can as well increase this, or better still, come back here, look for another character here.
In a bustling city, a homeless child named Tay wandered alone, clutching a small, worn blanket. His days were spent watching people pass by, hoping for a warm smile or a spare coin. At night, he found shelter beneath a bridge, where he gazed at the stars, imagining a better life. One chilly evening, a kind stranger offered him a sandwich and an old storybook. Tai clung to the book, finding warmth and hope within its pages. Each story transported him to new worlds, and as he read by moonlight, he dreamed of a brighter future, one day at a time.